Welcome to my FCX24M build video. The truck looks a little different now, so let me fill you in on some of the things you've missed.
Jimmy baby, on light, sauce baby, no you rock baby, no you rock, fake niggas, fake life. A fuck nigga, that's that shit I don't like. A snitch nigga, that's that shit I don't like. A bitch nigga, that's that shit I don't like. Sneak this up, that's that shit I don't like. Don't like. A snitch nigga, that's that shit I don't like. Right, we smoke all day, all night. You smoke ratty, that's that shit I don't like.
Every time I think I'm done with the truck, I come up with another idea. Let me get you a full list of the mods that I've done to this thing.
Never ever shoot below the neck. You a rich, I'm a vet. That's why I got a Glock, you got a tip. Not checkers, these chests. I flooded out my paddock with baguettes. I curved Tiffany for Jess. Need to get myself together, I'm a mess. In bikini bottom, I'm with Sandy. Moesha keep on drinking all the brandy. Keisha eat the Molly like it's candy. Body slam a nigga like I'm Brandy. I'm a hot hitter, I'm a guap getter. Leave a thot bitter, get your block hit up. Oh, you think you in a group, get that shit split up. Tryna suck me laying down, I make that bitch sit up. Yeah, hot box, dirty stick, case closed. We grill beef, nigga charcoal. Selling pussy, helper JJ got a barcode. These broke ass niggas need job codes. Used to use EBT to get seafood. Now Uber Eats when I want Kiku. She wanna hang, gotta let the gang G you. Metro worth a lot of M's, nigga, me too. Hanging off my earlobes is a rock. Hanging off my waistline is a Glock. The body in that casket was a op. I don't throw no bottles, I throw shots. All this drip on me, I need a mop. Balenciaga boxes in the soft. I got 10 freaky girls on a yacht. Finna drown in them, dog, finna drown in them. Last altercation got 100 rounds in them. All my spots got a lot of bloodhounds in them. Ain't no furniture, it's just a lot of pounds in them. Perk soft hard and I got the brown in them. What the bomber clock, Chateau, we don't ramp in them. Edgewood Glen with Boulder Crest and a hemp with them. Got a lot of sticks, you can get stamped with them. Tryna mediate the beef, you get found with them. All these chains, rest in peace to Harry Tubman. Niggas broke cause they doing too much clubbing, Cashed out on all my cars cause I'm stubborn. Zone 6 against the world, that's how I'm coming. I came out.
Uh-oh. That's not good. Wait, it's the nut's still there. Yeah. Yes.
You just got loosened. Oh yeah, you're chilling.
Yeah, I'm chilling.
Oh. Nice. Oh. Oh.
Yes.
Oh.
Oh.